Good morning, friends. I'm going to talk about mail merge in MS Word. What is a mail merge? A mail merge is a powerful tool for writing a letter can be sent to a group of people at the same time. Consider an example as a company is going to call for interview for 50 candidates. So, instead of writing a letter for 50 number of times, what we can do in mail merge is you can type a single letter. That single letter is going to send to 50 people at the same time. That is a concept we are going to see in mail merge. So now I am going to give the demo how we are going to use the mail merge. I am going to show the mail merge demo in MS Word. Select Microsoft Office. It will create an empty document. In that empty document you can see the tab mailings. Click the tab mailings. You can see a number of buttons which are on the toolbar. Select the button start mail merge. A drop down menu will come. In that drop down menu you can see a menu as step by step mail merge wizard. Click that menu. In the right hand side you can see a window is being opened. These are all the options to create the mail merge: letters, envelopes, labels and directories. Now we are going to start the document for creating mail merge. Click this next starting document. In the second step you can see the first choice, use the current document. Select this choice and you can type a letter. I have already typed a letter in my desktop. What I am going to do is I am copying this content and pasting in my new empty document. In that empty document, what does it contain? The HR manager of the company is going to invite some 5 or 10 peoples to attend the interview. Before they are coming for the interview, they should bring their experience certificate and the academic qualification certificates, and they should make a call to the departmental administrator to confirm whether they will attend or not. The second step is now over. Go to the third step. In the third step, what you are going to do is you are going to create a database of the interview candidates. So I am going to select the third option, type in new list. Below that you can see a create link is there. Click this link. It will be creating a list of columns having the address of the interview candidates. Now I can able to customize this column. Some of the columns I don't need, so I am deleting those columns. Company name, I don't want this column, I am going to delete this one. And zip code, I am going to rename it as pin code. Then work phone, I am going to rename it as mobile phone. Mobile number. Then I am going to add two more columns, date, then time. So you can able to move these columns wherever you want. I want this date and time should be at the bottom of this order, so I am moving down in this table. Similarly, the time I want to move to the last. Okay, you can able to move anywhere in the tables. Now I am clicking this one. Now I am going to add a sample data, Mr. Babu Kumar, number 22, Ram Raj Street, some address I am typing, some sample address. Coimbatore. This is Chennai. Tamil Nadu. India. Some number I am typing here. So this is the data. First one data I have added. Now I am clicking this OK button. It will ask the directory location to save this file. So mail merge. I am saving it as mail merge. Save. Only one data is there, but already I have created a database. In that I am having 3 data list, that is 3 interviewers name. Now I am clicking this OK. Now what I am going to do is I am going to select the recipient list. So go select this one. I am going to the existing list, because just now I have created a database. So select this one, select a different list. Already I have created a file, MDB file from MS Access. Here I am having 3 recipients, so I am going to open this one. So here I am having some 3 datas are there. Okay, so these are the 3 interview candidates I am going to call for the interview. So I am giving it as OK. Now go for the next option, the next choice. Next step. The next step, what you are going to do is you are going to send the address block. So where the address block has to become, it has to come to the 2. So click the cursor below this 2 and click this one, address block. So these are all the 3 datas I am having. First data is Ram Kumar and Akash Chopra, and one more data is there, Babu Ramesh. So I am going to click this one. So these 3 datas will be added here. So the name format you can choose it here with the first name and the last name, whatever choice you needed, you can click this one, choose any one of this choice. Now click this one OK. That is, now address block has been added. Now what you are going to do is you are going to add the greeting line in the dear. So I am going to add the greeting line. So these are all the formats which is available. So you can select any one of this format. Now I am dear sir or dear madam. So depending upon the name it will take. Dear Mr. Babu. So that is the sample data, it has been taken with the last name. Okay. So I can give it as then I am giving it as OK. Yes, greeting line has been added. Now in this letter I am having a content is I am pleased to inform that you have been shortlisted and you are invited to attend the interview on date. I have to add here. So I am going to add more items. I am going to add more items, that is date, insert, close, then add more items, time, insert. Now the date and time has been added. Now I am going to preview my letter. So everything has been ready. Now I am going to preview my letter, whatever I have typed. So this is the content of letter. So for 3 recipients the letter has been typed with 3 different datas. You can see the changes here. One is Babu Ramesh, Kumar Ram, and third one is Akash Chopra, because it has been taken from the first name and the last name, depends upon what I have selected. Now the mail merge is going to complete. So you can adjust this for format. Now it is going to complete this one, complete the merge, mail merge. Now I'm going to click this one. Finally what you have to do is edit. I want some three individual datas. So edit individual letters. So it will giving the option as all. Click that all option. So you will be having three letter for three interview candidates. Okay, so the mail merge portion has been over. Now I am going to explain you about envelope of the mail merge. For this letter we need some covering letter. So for that I am going for the envelope, that I will explain it now. Now I am clicking this new file, create a new file, go to the mailings tab, select the start mail merge button, go to the drop down menu, select step by step mail merge with chart. You can see a window which comes under the right hand side. Select the envelopes, go to the next step, change the document layout, that is you are going to change the size of the envelope. Here it has been various sizes are given. You can select any one of these sizes. I am going to select it's 11. You can also change the font size and font type of the delivery address and the return address. I am giving it as default sizes, whatever it is available. Clicking this OK. Now go to the next step. In the next step what you are going to do is you are going to select your MDB file. In the MDB file only you are having the recipient addresses. So select your MDB file. This is a MDB file which has been already created. Open. These are the three datas. These are the three recipients I am calling for the interview. So click it as OK. Now go to the next step. You are going to give the from address and the to address. Now I am going to give the from address. The from address is already I am having in the mail merge letter. I am copying this one and I am pasting to the envelope page. In the envelope page, you can, if you are clicking at the bottom of the page, you can see a rectangular box. Below the rectangular box you can give a 2. And you can see the rectangular boxes are there. In the rectangular blocks you can click the address block at the right hand side. Here I am having 3 recipients, 3 interview candidates. I am clicking it as OK. The address block has been added here. Next, go to the next step. This is the envelope to show the preview of your envelopes. So here I am having 3 recipients. You can see the changes here. Okay, now we are going to complete the envelope. So go for this option, edit individual envelopes. It will show all the 3 envelopes. From address to address, the 3 recipient address has been given. So this is the mail merge of your envelope of your mail merge. Thank you for seeing this video. If you like this video, please press the like symbol, or you can subscribe this video. Thank you.